kids, I am Robo-Friend. It's us. Let's learn the week from start to ends. Monday, Monday, start the week. Wake up early, smile and speak. Tuesday, Tuesday, fun begins. Learning days and happy grins. Wednesday, middle of the week. Counting numbers, fun and sweet. Thursday, letters A to Z. Robot sings so happily. Friday, Friday, clap and cheer. Weekend fun is almost here. Saturday, play and run outside. Robot friends are by your side. Sunday, rest and family. Love and joy for you and me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday just for you. Saturday, Sunday, happy days. Robot learns in fun ways. Beep, beep, good job, kids. You learned today. See you soon for another play.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.